What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Jorphany YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a healthy lifestyle, and we're going to be talking specifically about mind, body, and fitness.
Yes, because they are all connected. If one's off, it's going to have a trickle effect.
So first, let's start with your mind. What are you feeding into your mind? You guys have all heard the terms, you are what you eat. But same thing, you are what you feed into your mind. So if you start your day by reading the newspaper, or like negative things on social media or on Facebook or on TV, how do you expect to start your day with all these negative ingredients and then expect to have this magical, positive, inspirational day? That doesn't happen. So you want to, whatever type of life you want to create, you want to feed those things specifically into your mind. Does that make sense? So if you want to be successful, say in health and in fitness, well, guess what? Maybe listen to audiobooks or read books or, watch videos on YouTube from people actually working on their fitness.
Yeah, and an easy go-to, we want to make this very practical and stuff that you guys can do. For example, like when I drive to work, I put motivation, whatever I'm feeling in the mood, and just listen to that video until you get to work. Or I have the 5-minute journal he bought us, which I absolutely love, because it makes you just, before you start your day, just let's focus on the things that are working instead of focusing on what's not working. Like, oh, I hate, waking up early. I hate this and I hate that. Focus on what you're grateful for. Like, I am alive today. Like, you can start with that. I am healthy today. I have all my limbs. So just focusing and coming from a place of gratitude can totally shift your day. And then, kind of like, what would make today great? And then just giving a list of that and just your daily affirmation of what type of person or what is it that you're all about that day. So those are just two great ideas. Or reading a chapter of a book if you're into like having physical books, or doing an ebook, a little bit of an ebook before you go to work or as soon as you wake up, or anything to that extent, but just feeding your mind like something good and positive.
And if you're interested in surrounding yourself in person physically with other like-minded individuals that have common goals, we use the meetupapp.com. It's just called meetup.com. It's a free app, and you can put all these different things that you enjoy, like whether it's health, fitness, entrepreneurship, real estate, and other people with common interests will also select those categories, and then you join different groups.
And they're free.
And then they have events, right? So like I just hosted an event yesterday teaching people how to create cash flow through real estate, through rental properties on Airbnb. And it's completely free to the consumer, to the attendee. And it's a great way, again, to surround yourself with like-minded individuals that have a common interest, goal, or vision.
Yeah.
Right? So that's for the in-person. Now let's talk a little bit about the body, from what you consume as far as food and drinks, and also what you do for your actual fitness. So going back to you are what you eat. If you eat crappy food like McDonald's, Carl's Jr., Taco Bell, Jack in the Box, how can you expect to thrive in your health if you're putting nothing but crappy food into your body?
Yeah, and I don't know if you guys know, but we're vegan, and so we're big on just eating like food for nourishment. So with that being said, like, just you don't have to be vegan, but just being aware and implementing more, like, let me eat at least an apple a day, or I'm going to have at least 3, raw foods, being like, I'm going to have 2 fruits and 1 veggie today, or, implementing like, I'll have at least 1 green salad or a smoothie today. Just being very mindful of it, and just knowing that, like, this is a body you were given, and it is your responsibility to keep it healthy. And when you feed it, like he said, like, nasty food that's just been so processed and God knows where it comes from, like, your body is gonna feel it. So just being very mindful and just kind of having a plan of like, okay, I don't necessarily want to be vegan or plant-based, but what can I do to make sure I'm nourishing my body? And that can go into like taking superfoods or vitamins, and just kind of just really nourishing your body.
Or just starting your day with this smoothie. It should be a smoothie a day, keeps a doctor away instead of an apple. So yeah, guys, so just nourish your body from what you eat and what you drink. Maybe drink less alcohol, smoke less, and exchange those for things that are actually going to contribute and enhance your health, which ultimately is a reflection of your entire life, your energy levels. And then the second aspect of body is your fitness, working out, exercising, doing cardio, lifting weights, doing any type of exercising, yes, 80% is what you eat, and that's going to make the biggest difference. But when you combine eating healthy and a solid workout foundation, combining those two plus your mind, I mean, your life is just going to go to a whole other level, because again, you're going to live a healthier and longer life and have more energy and more strength.
Yes, and then with that being said, we get it. We totally get it. Not everyone has all the time in the world. Not everyone has an hour to work out, but still, that's no excuse, because excuses are sexy, and God knows I've heard them all. You know, yes, I get it. You know, the cooking, the cleaning, the kids, you know, everyday, you know, things, you know, the kids have swimming. There's a million things. But let me tell you that at the end of the day, like, your life, like, how it's gonna go is gonna be dictated by how you treat it. So with that being said, I mean, if it comes down to you going to your desk, and I'm telling you because I do this myself, and I say every hour I'm gonna do 20 to 25 squats here, right here, and I'm gonna add on to that. I'm gonna do 10 to 15 lunges each leg every hour. And then add on, like, you know what, every hour I'm going to do, or every odd hour I'm going to do push-ups, and every even hour I'm going to do a squat or a lunge. Just get your body moving. Everyone gets 15 minutes of a break at work. Go walk somewhere. Go walk and come right back. Speed walk it. Like, there is no excuse. Like, where there is a will, there is a way. So, and then people are going to ask you, like, what are you doing? Because they do. And then they want to join. Trust me. They're like, oh, okay, let's do it. Everybody wants to be part of a little community. So, there is a way. So make it happen, whether it's like, hey, you know what, on you know, one day we'll, you know, you take the kids and I'll work out for 30 minutes and then we'll swap. Or let's work out at home and have the kids join us. Like, making it fun. It doesn't have to be like this whole saga, like I have to go to the gym and, you know, make it fun and make it functional, and your kids are going to learn from you. That's how I got into fitness. I just watched my mom, and I was like, okay, like, this is what we do. Yeah.
So that's our take on a healthy lifestyle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If there's anything else that you guys do in your life to have a healthy lifestyle, comment below, as that is one of the ways that people in this channel learn the most, is from your comments. Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and connect with us on Instagram in the links below.
See you guys later.